Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel once again. My name is Timothy Olumide, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can register, how you can transfer, and how you can move your PvC card with Inec from using digital space. All right, yeah, 2023 is here with us, and one of the ways by which you can exercise your civic duty as a good citizen is to make sure you cast your votes. All right, but how do you cast your vote for even your most loved and qualified candidate when you do not even have your PvC? So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can register, how you can transfer, how you can renew your PvC right at the comfort of your home. So come along with us. Alright guys, so first of all, go to cvr.inec.nigeria.org. This is where you're going to be registering on your website. So this is Inec portal. As you can see, welcome. This is the Inec continuous voter registration portal. As a new voter, you can pre-register online, or as a registered voter, you can review your voter registration, you can update your information, and you can transfer your voter registration to another polling unit. Let's say, for example, you registered while you were in Enugu. Now you live in Lagos, and there's need for you to move your PvC or your polling unit to Lagos. This is part of what you can do on this website. So as you can see, clicking on services, pre-registration, voter review, voter transfer, information update, these are the things, activities that you can do right now on this website. Okay, but first of all, you need to create an account on this website. Okay, so you can sign up or log in with your social media handle by just clicking on this button, sign in with Google. All right, then, but I will recommend that you register directly. Okay, just create an account. It takes less than a minute to do. Okay, so new portal user, just click on first name Timothy, last name Olumide, phone number 080, says blah blah blah, email webproficiency@gmail.com, but make sure it's your email address. Enter your email address and confirm your email address. Enter your password and click I'm not a robot. Please, it's very important to not forget to do that. Click on I'm not a robot and click on continue. Okay, so after you submit, there will be an email sent to your email address asking you or requiring you to click and activate this account. So once you click on activate the account, yes, you're welcome and you're ready to log in to Inec website. So the next thing for you is to click on my applications. My applications. Now you can now come here and enter your login with your email and your password. Okay, so after you activate your account, you come back to this website, click on sign in and scroll down, enter your information and click on login. So as you can see, so once you log in, you're welcome to Inec portal. So first of all, if you scroll down a little, you will see new voter registration. This is where you can start your new registration. Perhaps you have never registered with them, you can do your pre-registration on this portal. So as you can see, if you have not registered for your voters card before and would like to do so now, click the button below to pre-register and save a lot of time when you visit the biometric data collection. So you can pre-register here by just clicking on new voter registration. So if you are a new voter registration, just click on new voter registration. All right, so and all these are due to COVID-19 issues that the world is currently battling with. So you may really not have to go and start join the queue on the Inec website. You can just save your time by starting on their website, filling your new pre-registration form. So click on pre-registration form. As you can see, I declare that all information I provide regarding this process is true to the best of my knowledge. So click on yes. So this is the form, last name and your surname. Okay, so fill this detail, your level of education. These are the information that you would need at the Inec office, even if you have gone there physically. So the documents that are required of you could be court affidavit, let's say for example for proof of age, or maybe proof of address, or proof of name of change, or what have you. Okay, so let's go back. That is for if you are new register, if you are to register anew. Okay, so I have my other X16 applications here, and one is I want to transfer my voter's card to another polling unit. All right, so the last time I did that, as you can see, was on Thursday, December 16. Okay, and it's currently telling me that my CVR process completed and approved final, and I can view my application. All right, so that is for new registration. If you want to review your update or your information, you can click on it, and if you want to transfer, just click on transfer. All right, so for now I want to dwell a little on transfer. So transfer, retrieve your voter registration. What's your state? Enter the state where you your state of origin, I mean where you are currently. Okay, so polling unit code, that it's optional, but your voter registration number must be entered. Okay, so let's go back to my application. So when you click on transfer, okay, so click on request transfer. So the information that you'll be required is your name, and the moment you enter your voters information, their system will synchronize and bring it out to you that you have actually registered before. Then from there you can continue your registration and enter the new address where you live now. Okay, so where you live now, and it will take after a month. In fact, my own now that is telling me approved and final right now was actually done, as you can see, on December 16th. On December 11th, that was when I did all these processes. But on December 16th, I was told that it has been approved, that I should view my application. So this is how you can navigate Inec website, guys, without having to waste your time visiting Inec office or exposing yourself to the COVID-19 due to influx of people at this point in time. So I hope this video will help you to better prepare for year 2023 and getting your PvC registered. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.